Want a creamy, protein-packed paneer without dairy? Let's make soft and healthy vegan peanut paneer in just a few easy steps. Ingredients: 1 cup of peanut, 1 cup of water, and 1 lemon. Soak 1 cup of peanuts for 5 hours. Blend with 1 cup water into a smooth paste. Peanuts are rich in plant-based protein, great for muscle health. Now strain the mixture with a fine cloth or strainer. This milk is lactose-free and easy to digest, perfect for vegan diets. Add 1 more cup of water to extract all the creamy peanut milk. Now bring the peanut milk to a gentle boil. Add juice of 1 lemon and let it curdle. Strain through a muslin cloth. Hang for 1 hour to remove extra water. Your soft peanut paneer is ready. This creamy, dairy-free peanut paneer is high in protein, gut-friendly, and so versatile. Try it today and say yes to healthy vegan swaps. Enjoy it in kathi rolls, chilla wraps, jowar pockets, or even quesadillas. Follow our channel for these recipes.